We all have the same feeling. It's that time of the year between winter and spring. Not too warm yet, but not too freezing either. Can we wear coats? Is it too early to pull off flowers? Is the sweat too much? And how about sandals? Not too worried though, because I'm here to make all those questions go away. For more styling tips and outfit ideas, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to be notified when I post a video every week. Okay, let's get started. Hi, my name is Bessie. Welcome back to my channel. There are 4 easy steps to give you idea when you find there is nothing to wear at this time of the year. Rule number 1. Layer, 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 layer. Add a little warmth or a pop of color to your look by layering turtleneck underneath. Or pair a classic skinny pants with lightweight culotte top with a cardigan that you can wrap up in or throw over your shoulder in the warmer afternoon. Rule number 2. Set up a basic wardrobe. In order to lightly layer with effortlessly chic, you must stock your closet with the basics. You can check out my last video about what you need for a basic wardrobe. Short sleeves and sleeveless top layer nicely under most outerwear and are very practical for the up and down temperatures. Rule number 3. Fabric. When it comes to fashion styling, fabric is king. You need to choose breathable fabrics which can take you from the late winter to early summer. For example, polyesters and silk. You can also pull out a spring floral dress styled with trench coat and ankle boots. Rule number 4. Avoid wearing anything too seasonal. So skip the sandals and puffer coats. We are dressing for the weather not too summery and not too wintry. Therefore, we can try boyfriend blazers as a jacket for a classic and easy transition layer, paired up with open tights and over-the-knee boots for a look that works from day to night. Or easily pair a boyfriend black blazer with a white tee and a black pants styled with ankle boots. Comment below and share how do you make your wardrobe work for that in-between season. Now you can implement these transition weather tips and you will be happy getting dressed in the morning when the weather is truly unpredictable. Check out this video next on Simple Guide to Styling Boots. If you like this video, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends.